Hello, my dear students. Today we start exercise 2.3. I hope you all have seen the previous video, which is based on exercise remainder theorem. Okay, and exercise 2.3 introduction. Okay, if you have not seen that, first seen that video. Okay, now let's start exercise 2.3. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3 square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by first x plus 1. So what we have to do, first we have to put x plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1, right? Now the value of x is minus 1. Okay, now we put on this polynomial minus 1. Right? In the place of x, we put minus 1. See? Minus 1 square, minus 1. Now, minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. And 1 multiplied 3. 1 multiplied 3 is 3. Minus 1 multiplied 3. Minus 1 multiplied 3 is minus 3 plus 1. Now solve it. 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Right? This all cancel comes to 0. Then remainder in first part is 0. Remainder in first part is 0. We have just to put the value. Now taking the second part. Second part taking, we have first put the x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to, this is transposed to this side. 1 minus 1 by 2 is transposed to this side. Has become plus 1 by 2. Now it's become plus 1 by 2. Now we have to solve it. To put the value, okay, we use this place. Okay, I'm using this place. You have to follow. You have to write in the between this. Okay. Now our polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now put x is equal to 1 by 2. Now put x is equal to 1 by 2, and x in the place of x we have to put 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 is a cube 3x 1 by 2 square plus 3x 1 by 2 plus 1. So 3 1 by 2. In the place of x we put 1 by 2. Okay. Now solve it. 1 by 3. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 multiplied 1 cube is 1 and 4. Okay? 2 square is 4. And this 3 by 2 and plus 1. Now what is the LCM of 4, 2 and 8? The LCM is 8. Here is 1. Here 4 divided by 2 and 2 multiplied 3 is 6. 4 3s are 12 plus 8. Right? Now we add 20, 26, 27. So 27 by 8. Right? Now, any doubt? If you have doubt, ask me. First, note it. Okay? Note it. I think you have to note it. Now, what is third? Third is only x. If we return only x, that means x is equal to 0. Now put the value 0. Right? 0 cube plus 3. In the place of x, we have to put 0 right now. Now, this will become 0. All of this become 0, 0, 0, right? 0, 0. And the 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Great. I have done this step also. Now, okay, I think you understand this. If you have doubt, you may ask me. Now what comes to the 4? I think you all have noted it. Okay, note everyone. Now, fourth is x plus pi. X plus pi is very easy. Your x plus pi is equal to 0. You have to put x plus pi is equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus pi. X is equal to minus pi. Right? Now come to this. In the place of, in this polynomial, in the place of x, we have to put pi. Right? In the place of this x, we have to put pi. So minus sorry, minus pi, because there is minus pi. No, minus cube is minus and pi cube is pi. Here become minus square is positive, plus and pi square is pi square. This become minus 3 pi, this minus plus become minus and 1. It is the answer. No, we can't solve it further because here is pi power 3, pi square and pi. They can't be solved. They are unlike terms. They can't be solved. They are unlike terms. So we have just leave this here. Okay. Now the last one is fourth is completed. Now fifth one. What is fifth one? Very easy. This one, right? So we have to solve this. So first put this equation is equal to 0 and s is equal to minus 2s is equal to minus 5 and s is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Now here x is minus 5 upon 2. Now we put this minus 5 upon 2 on this equation. In the place of x, right, we have to put. So solve it. Okay, now solve it. Minus cube is minus, 5 cube is 125, 2 cube is 8, minus square is positive. If there is even number in the power, minus become positive. If odd number in the power, it negative remain negative. Okay, negative or positive is become if there is an even number. Then 3 multiplied, 5 cube is 25 upon 2 square is 4. Plus not plus, minus plus is minus, 3 5s are 15 upon 2 plus 1. Now that is equal to minus 125 upon 8 plus 75, 25 3s are 75 minus 15 upon 2 plus 1, right? Now what is the LCM of 8, 4, 2 and 1? It's not anything, that means 1, right? Here nothing written, means 1. The LCM is 8. LCM is 8. Now here is 125. It become 4 2s are 150 minus 4 60 and plus 8. Now solve it. Solve it. If by solving it, it comes to minus 27 upon 8. Right? Minus 27 upon 8. So question number 1 is here completed. Note it down. Okay. Now we do question number 2. अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ओके, फाइंड द रिमाइंडर व्हेन x क्यूब माइनस x स्क्वायर प्लस 6x माइनस a is divided by x minus a, right? So what we have to do first put x minus a is equal to 0, then a is x equal to this will transpose to this side, minus a अगर ट्रांसपोज होता है तो ये आता है a, right? Now put a in the place of x. जहां जहां x है वहां a put करते हैं. जहां जहां x है वहां a पुट करेंगे. तो ये a क्यूब हो जाएगा. ये a है, ये a स्क्वायर है, यानी ये जगह पावर क्या होती है, ऐड हो जाती है ना, मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, पावर ऐड हो जाती है. 3 प्लस 6a माइनस a. अब दोनों की पावर सेम है तो यानी दोनों लाइक टर्म्स हैं, ये कैंसिल हो गया, बचा 6a माइनस a और ये सॉल्व हो जाएगा 5a, राइट? तो दिस क्वेश्चन इज कंप्लीटेड. नोट इट डाउन. विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. So now start question number 3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Now I'll tell you one thing first. देखो बात समझो. जिसकी पावर कम होती है, यहाँ दो डिग्री यहाँ कितनी है, 1 है, यहाँ डिग्री कितनी है, 3 है ना. डिग्री जानते हो, सब कुछ डिग्री जानते हो. जिसकी डिग्री कम होती है वहां से वैल्यू निकाल के हम जिसमें डिग्री ज्यादा होती है वहां करते हैं. लास्ट वीडियो में इसे बताया था, तब भी मैं बता रहा हूँ, है ना. पूछ रहा फैक्टर है कि नहीं. तो बात ये है, जो अभी दो सवाल पूछे गए हो वैसे ही यहाँ से निकाल के यहाँ वैल्यू पुट करनी है. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है, अगर सॉल्व करने पर 0 आ रहा है, मतलब कि सॉल्व करने पर 0 आ रहा है, मतलब रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है. अभी तो जो पीछे तो किए थे वो रिमाइंडर थे, वो हर बार क्या आ रहे थे, उनके रिमाइंडर आ रहे थे. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है तो ये फैक्टर है, अगर रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ रहा तो ये फैक्टर नहीं है. याद रखना हमेशा जहां डिग्री कम होती है मोस्टली लीनियर ही होंगे, मोस्टली ये लीनियर ही होंगे। अगर तुम याद करने सोचो लीनियर यहाँ से यहाँ डिग्री कम होती है, वहां से वैल्यू निकालो, ये ट्रांसपोज किए तो -7 s इक्वल टू -7/3। नाउ पुट दिस, इस पॉलिनोमियल में -7/3 को हम पुट करते हैं, तो 3 -7/3 की पावर 3 प्लस 7 -7/3, राइट। तो ये हो जाएगा 3 मल्टीप्लाई -7, माइनस का तो माइनस रहेगा, 7 का क्यूब होता है क्या 343, 7 क्यूब इज 343, और नीचे क्या बचा, पीछे हुआ 3 मल्टीप्लाई जानबूझ के ऐसे लिखा हूं ताकि ये 3 और ये 3 कैंसिल हो जाए, राइट। प्लस 7 प्लस नहीं माइनस, प्लस माइनस इज माइनस, और 7 7 जा 49/3, तो ये क्या हुआ -343/9 -49/3। now LCM is 9 -343 माइनस, इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 49 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किए तो 9 3 जा कितना होता है 27, 7 लिखे 2 कैरी, 3 4 जा 12, 12 2 4, तो यानी 147। नाउ इसे सॉल्व करेंगे तो कितना आएगा 10, 7 3 10, 1 कैरी, 4 4 9 8, 8 and 1 9 and 3 are 4, 490/9। तो दिस कांट बी कम्स टू 0, तो ये क्या हुआ 0 तो आ नहीं सकता, तो कितना आया था हमारा -490/9, ठीक है ये आया था, तो ये 0 तो आ नहीं सकता, राइट। अगर 0 नहीं आ सकता, ये रिमाइंडर क्या है, ये 0 नहीं आया, रिमाइंडर नॉट कम्स टू 0, राइट। रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आया तो इसका मतलब क्या है, ये इसका फैक्टर नहीं है। तो हम नोट कर दें, यहाँ नोट करते हैं, ठीक है ना, ये नोट करना है, उसके बाद इसे नोट करना है लास्ट में, यानी लिखना क्या है x + 3x is not factor of 3x³ + 7x, जो कि रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं है, ओके। इन द केस ऑफ एनी डाउट यू मे आस्क मी, ओके, थैंक यू।